usual list of great problems in science is the origin of the universe, the structure of time and matter, the origin of life. But here we are after what is intelligence, how the brain creates the mind, what is consciousness. That's deeper than everything else, because after all it's with our mind that we try to solve all other problems.
I think intelligence is the ability to make connections between concepts and objects, and some of these concepts can be very abstract, and then you get into higher level of intelligence.
It's a question that people have wondered about since they wondered about anything. From the ancient Greeks through everything that we call thinking, it's pretty much always starts with, how do we acquire knowledge? What is knowledge, right? These are the questions that Plato and Aristotle talked about, and Hume, Descartes, Kant, and every child and every parent thinks about these things.
Every machine we use today has a body and a brain. The brain is the set of algorithms that gets the body to do what it is meant to do. When you take a body and a brain and you put them together, you end up with a machine that can do something extraordinary.
There's a huge debate about whether we are going through an age of total transformation of work in which people will lose their jobs to machines, or whether this is a continuation of a 200-year trend where we're going to have productivity growth coupled with wage and employment growth.
Machine forms of intelligence are more and more a part of our lives, our economies, all of our experiences, our cultures. So we'd like those machines to be good. We'd like them to be smart so that we can teach them, get them to learn the way a child does, but we'd also like them to be good in the sense we'd like to be able to trust them, to be able to talk to them, build a shared understanding so that they can be real partners for humans.
For many years, scientists and engineers have aspired to have a stronger connection between living systems and engineered machines. They have used living systems as inspiration for what might be possible in the future with machines. And by studying machines, they have aspired to create hypotheses and models that might explain the mysteries behind the living systems.
And now machines can feel your emotions probably more than I can feel it, because they can tap into your breathing, your heart rate, and analyze it using these new algorithms.
Technology has its own mind, but many things influence it. It's really about whether we're going to be able to use these technologies productively.
Maybe what we really want is for ourselves to become more intelligent. And in order to do that, we have to understand what is our intelligence, how to expand it.
This is a period that started with the rise of all of the fields that we work in: cognitive science, neuroscience, artificial intelligence. And it's only now, though, that they're mature enough that each one of them is able to start to deliver its promises, and that they can all talk to each other and really start to make progress together on the science and engineering of intelligence.